Hi there everyone. I hope that your Monday's going well. Another quick taste test folks, and this is Asda Extra Special, a passion for quality. Sweet and spicy infused baby beetroots with chilli extract, and it has a 2 chilli rating, and that's what it looks like. Ingredients are beetroot 99%, white wine vinegar, sugar, salt, chilli extract, and is suitable for vegetarians. There's 175 grams, and this was £1. So we'll give it a go. There it is, a lovely little baby beetroot. Smells very nice. The beetroot itself is excellent. Nice and tender, nothing woody about it. Got that nice hit of chilli coming through. Really good. And if you like beetroot and you like chilli, you'll definitely like these. Really are good. They're very tasty, and you get that lovely afterburn in your mouth along with the sweetness. And definitely recommend them. I'm going to score them 10 out of 10. They're really good. The more you eat, the hotter the chilli becomes, and that lovely sweetness. It's got a really nice aftertaste. Can't beat it. So, there they are again folks. If you see those in Asda, I would highly recommend pick some up and give them a go. Lovely. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing. Helps the channel grow and will become part of that bigger community. And always at that point I will say to you all, Namaste, and may your God go with you. Bye for now everyone.